Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove the password from the presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application, search for this, open up the Keynote application, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now go to the top, toolbar, go to File, go to Open. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, now go to Open. Once that has opened up, let's now go to the top toolbar again, go to File, go to Set Password. So we will now repeat the previous tutorial as we did encrypt the presentation. So let's now verify the password, set the password. Let's now quit the Keynote application, and there we go. Your presentation has been encrypted with your password. Only you can click and enter this presentation via the passcode. So the purpose of this tutorial is to remove that password, and so you no longer then require a password to access this presentation. Go to File, go to Change Password. If I were to, let's just say, click on Remove Password, it will prompt you that that's not the correct password. You must enter the correct password in order to remove the password. Let's now remove password after we have entered the old password or the current password, and there we go. Command S to save. Let's now minimize the Keynote application for the moment, and there we go. The password has been removed from the presentation via the steps that we took to complete this task. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go back to the Keynote application, quit Keynote application. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.